This is 916 North 15th, Unit C. This is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom. It has central heat and air and hardwood floors throughout. Very bright and sunny. Just was painted. Microwave and dishwasher, plenty of cabinet space. Tiled floor in the kitchen. Washer dryer and small storage unit. Slight level up. Tiled bathroom, again very sunny. Stall shower. And very spacious bedroom. With a good sized closet. And that is 916 North 15th.